Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom Vesta channel. As usual, today I would like to run through the stock market analysis with you. And before I run through the stock market analysis, I would like to make a disclaimer. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell shares. This is purely for educational purposes, and it also act as my personal trading vlog, trading journals, and it's meant for entertainment and educational purposes. All right, so do not follow my trades. It's not an advice to follow my trades. All right. Okay, so let's go through today's let's see what happens in the general market right now. Oh yeah, so this is Amazon. I draw a very this is the line that I draw. I think this is called a wedge, if I'm not wrong. All right, this is called a wedge. So basically, it's like the higher highs gets lower, and the lower low the lows gets higher. All right, the lower candle gets higher along the way, and the higher candles gets lower. So it keeps consolidating here around here, and then hopefully one day it will break out. All right, hopefully it will break out. Let me just draw a simple annotation. So basically, right, the high points gets lower, and the low points gets higher, keeps going higher. So hopefully the candle will continue to consolidate here, consolidate here, consolidate here, and one day it will break up. Hopefully it will break out, or not it will break down, but I think it's very unlikely to break down because fundamentally Amazon is a very good company to invest, and hopefully if let's say the candle break up, then this is where I will look into a long-term position on Amazon. I may want to consider a buy call, a long-term buy call, or long-term maybe a vertical call on Amazon. All right, I'm waiting for it to break up. Okay, so yeah, this is what I found for Amazon. Okay, now let's start with my stock. Okay, let's start with let's look at the SPX, the S&P 500 futures. Let's see how it goes. So basically, yesterday is a bullish day. So it has been consolidated here for a while, and then it finally moves up. Oh, it finally broke out from this one serve as a new support for S&P 500. All right, it finally break out. So we will see how it goes. The market is considered very bullish. All right, and now let's look at Nasdaq. Same for Nasdaq. So Nasdaq basically here is the support. Here is the support. So let me draw a better line here. Okay, so basically here is the support. All right, so previous high was here. It meets previous high already for Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, it actually meets the previous high already over here, right? So Let's see whether it will break out. However, if you compare Nasdaq with S&P 500, if let's say I compare Nasdaq with SPX, S&P 500, you can actually see that whenever Nasdaq moves, S&P 500 moves accordingly. Both are actually indexes, right? One is more on Nasdaq 100, another one is S&P 500. So basically, these are all same index, all are US index, right? So whenever S&P moves, Nasdaq moves. Whenever Nasdaq bullish, S&P also bullish. So right now, if we confirm S&P is already broke up, it's already bullish, so I presume Nasdaq will also confirm the bullishness. All right, so that's how I look at the stock market right now. I could be wrong. All right, so maybe other investment gurus may say that there is a potential bearish or what. So my view could be wrong. Okay. So yeah, that's all for the current market analysis. So right now, let me share with you my watch list for today. Where is my watch list? Okay, so here's my watch list for today. So basically, yesterday, we have actually filtered out 2 stocks. It doesn't get triggered. So today I will continue to place a buy stop limit order for BILL and MDB. Yesterday there was a valid entry, but for my accounts it wasn't get triggered. So I will continue to set a buy stop limit for BILL and MDB. So today I will continue to carry forward BILL and MDB because it broke 6 months high. So I'm quite confident on these 2 stocks. That's why I want to continue to see whether the price gets triggered. Otherwise, if let's say I manage to scan something better than these 2 stocks, then I may want to let go of these 2 and I will look for a new one. However, today I don't manage to scan any good opportunities, so I will carry forward these 2, and then I will set a stop limit order. Okay, same for BILL. I will set a limit order at $123.51. This is today's. So I will not set a GTC order. I will set today's order. If today doesn't get triggered, then I may consider to re-enter again tomorrow at a new entry price. So for MDB, I will set at 283.38. Is different from yesterday. Yesterday is 289. Today I will set at 283.38. I will set like maybe $3 gap away. Usually I like to set like $3 gap away. So 283.38 to 286.38. In case it gaps up, then I still manage to enter if it doesn't get up too much. And WSM also the same. For so today there's a new scan here, a new scan. This one wasn't being scanned yesterday. It's a new one for today, WSM. Actually, the arrow actually appears here. Okay, if I enlarge a little bit, the arrow actually appears here. Arrow with trend impulsive factor, the arrow actually appears over here. All right. However, this wasn't being scanned by me on that day, so I was being notified on the signal today. So actually, the price is quite close to the first arrow, and because right now it has been dropped a bit, most likely it will go back up. All right, maybe so this one is also a first valid entry and it broke 6 months high. This is a 6 months chart. This is a chart from July till December. It's a 6 month chart. It broke 6 months high. So most likely this one, this previous high, sorry. So this previous high can serve as a new support, right? This previous high here may serve as a new support. That's why I like this entry, right? There's a previous high. This one may, this price may serve as a support. So I can just ride with a trend. Hopefully it bounces to the support and then hopefully it will bounce to this support level and then it will go back up. All right. That's why I like to place order on when the stock breaks 6 months high. It will go to previous support and then hopefully it will bounce back up. But of course, if the index is going down, very likely the general stocks will also follow to go down. So, but however, I am quite bullish with the S&P and the Nasdaq. So I will just place the order here. Hopefully it will go back up. So tonight I will place an order at this price, stop limit order 111.72 and limit the stop limit at maybe $114.72, $3 away. So any range from 111.72 to 114.72, I will get the price triggered. Okay, so this is for me. This is the trade that I'm going to place today. All right, I will continue to place for this trade. So for this particular signal, right, I actually paid the subscription to look for this signal to place a trade. So for this particular trading method, I have actually still have this position holding on in my accounts. So I have a MSFT swing long. All these are still keep holding. All right, this was yesterday's scan. So this is today's scan, right? Today I have scanned through all these stocks and I will continue to hold because there's no signal to sell or no signal to buy back. Okay, I have a short position here. There's no signal for me to exit, so I will continue to hold on these trades. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. There's nothing much, not much new scan except the WSM. Okay, Williams Sonoma, right? So basically, this is the new scan for me, and I will continue to set a price for these two stocks. All right, so that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's session with me. And all right, so have a good day and have a good trading day. Goodbye. Cheers.